Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the alert not working on iPhone and Android devices, notification and trigger fix. So here is how you can easily fix this problem. Step 1 is to enable the push notification. Make sure that your device give the permission to the application to show the notification. To check, you can simple open the app list, long press on the application, go to app information, and now go to the permission section and make sure that it have a allowed notification permission. Step 2 is to check alert triggered condition. Ensure price indicator condition is reachable. So you can simple open the app, go to your alert and make sure that you set the right amount and right configuration of your alert. Okay, once you edit it, here you will get. Step 3 is to disable the battery optimization or any kind of background refresh because they may be restrict the apps from doing notification or any other work to run on background. So scroll down, make sure that the power sharing will be the power saving will be turned off. Okay, and other background refresh. The next step is you can simply keep your app logged in. Log out, disable the push alert. In that case, you can simply keep your app logged in completely. So these are the steps that can help you to fix and still you are facing same issue. Now you can simply delete and recreate the new alert. Okay, goodbye.